Hope to have a good weekend there in Baco. I think we have 3 really good tests, really different from the Portugal.
3 weeks ago now, I broke the shoulder blade, some problems with my shoulder, just no strength, but just expecting to finish the race.
Weekend done here in Romania. For myself was a really good weekend. Yesterday P4 and E1 and P7 in scratch, and today I was able to get the podium and finish 6th overall. So I really enjoyed the test here. Really nice enduro. The swim also was nice. So yeah, I'm really happy with my weekend. It was a really good one. Thanks to the team. Everyone here they make a really good job.
Yesterday was a really success for me. Finished P9 overall. Unfortunately only 6th in the class, but yeah, the E1 class is just a strong class this year. Today I felt again super great on the bike. Unfortunately I had a crash in the second enduro test. There I lost quite some time. But yeah, I kept fighting until the last test and finished P6 in the class again, 15th overall. Yeah, with those circumstances, it's okay for me, and I take the positives away from here. So yeah, then can't wait for the next Italian round.
After 4 weeks off the bike, I'm happy to finish both days, scoring a few points. Just rode to survive really. Couldn't do much in the test. I had no strength in my shoulder and it's a little bit cloudy in my head from my concussion. So happy to finish and just going to build up and get strong for Slovakia.